Well, it's been a while, so I guess it's time to make an update on the Mustang. As you can see, it's starting to look like a car again. These are just stubbed in. They're not welded yet, both sides. I gotta cut them out, get a flange tool for the backside, all kinds of miscellaneous there. But a lot of progress has been made, not just frame rails anymore, is it? So a couple of things. Welding these is kind of a pain. Still working on getting that into a better way of doing it, but it came out okay. A couple of dots that I can fill in, I suppose. Everything's lining up. That was my biggest concern when I did these guys here. Those inner fenders. Yeah, talk about ultra paranoid, but I appear to have gotten them at the right height and the right width and the right angle, because everything's matching up. And if you look down, I don't know if you can see it very well, it seems to be fairly straight on the insides. So that's what I was shooting for also. So it's all squared up. But that's where we are right now, waiting for the Willwood brakes to arrive, plus all the brake tools, so I can start running brake lines.